Hi, Anil Nair here. Let us look at this question based on remainder property from prime numbers. This number is divided by 13. If we know the concept of the divisibility rule of a prime number for 13, then this question is very easy. So first we will discuss the divisibility rule of 13. 10 cube divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Negative remainder is minus 3. Minus 3 cube divided by 13. Minus 3 cube is minus 27 divided by 13. 13 twos are 26. Negative remainder is minus 1. 10 cube divided by 13, it is minus 1. That means, suppose if I take 8 is written 6 times, 8 is written 6 times divided by 13, this can be written as 888 into 10 cube plus 888 divided by 13. 10 cube divided by 13, it is minus 1. Minus 888 plus 888. Answer, it is 0. That means any single non-zero digit, any single non-zero digit, any single non-zero digit written 6 times, written in groups of 6, written in groups of 6, written in groups of 6 is always divisible by 13. If 8 is written 6 times, divisible by 13. 8 is written 12 times, divisible by 13. 6 14s are 84. If 8 is written 84 times, 8 is written 84 times, divided by 13, it is 0. What is remaining? How many 8s are there? 4 8s are remaining, because 8 is written 88 times. 88888 divided by 13. What is the divisibility rule of 13? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. 888 minus 80 is 880 divided by 13. 13 6 are 78. 100. 13 7s are 91. Answer for this question is 9. The divisibility rule of 13 is, start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. In case if you like the video, kindly share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.